Digital teaching materials can improve access to education and increase equality. The IDEN project, which stands for International Digital Education Network, is designed to transfer existing teaching concepts into a flipped classroom design. We are achieving this firstly via the English Language Executive Master's Program, International Education Management. In short, INEMA, which is offered jointly by Ludwigsburg University of Education and Helwan University in Cairo. When creating digital teaching materials, we are using models from adult education, higher education didacts, and course design. The knowledge gained in this way is also made available to other courses. The project is being carried out with the help of 5 partner universities: Helwan University in Egypt, Université de Strasbourg in France, University of Applied Sciences in northwestern Switzerland, Durham University in Great Britain, and University of Richmond in the United States of America. The contents of the modules are being planned together and then technically implemented by the IDEN project. Our project partners gather possible module contents in regular concept exchanges. After creating a module, individual components are then integrated into the curricula of the participating universities. This joint development process guarantees the equivalence of modules and facilitates the recognition of the module between institutions or during an exchange semester. As soon as the competence goals for a module have been defined and the essential contents have been agreed upon, the IDEN team comes into play. Together with our partners, they discuss how course content can be prepared. The topics are: what contents are necessary to achieve the learning and competence goals? How may contents be best presented? How can different learning requirements at individual institutions be taken into account? Which learning activities serve to deepen understanding? How can interaction in learning groups be encouraged? How can learning units be designed that they can be studied part-time? Module leaders from our partner universities, together with the curriculum planners of the IDEN project, plan the individual online modules. Online modules consist of several units. We visualize the relationship between the units with the help of learning maps. Several units can be put together to form a sequence that deals with the same overall topic. Each unit is clearly structured and is based on a workload of 90 minutes. In general, units name the learning objectives explicitly at the beginning. To make its relevance clear, the context in which the content is located is always explained. Units contain so-called learning nuggets. These can range from theoretical input to interactive and summarizing tasks, for example, animation and videos, graphic presentation of learning content, or interactive tasks that offer student beneficial learning experiences. Through this structure and the interaction with lecturers and fellow students, high levels of Bloom's taxonomy can be achieved. However, online modules cannot replace face-to-face teaching. Students who have completed online units then move on to deepening their knowledge and competence acquisition in face-to-face sessions. Providing online learning is especially ideal for degree programs that cater for international students who may be partially, at least, studying from their home countries. Another aspect of the project is the connection of campus management systems according to the European Data Exchange Protocol, EMREX. Itinerant students who may occasionally be changing their study locations permanently can easily take their data with them from one university to another. In addition to being more easily able to confer credit points between higher education institutions, the planning of international study exchanges or leaves should also be facilitated in cooperation with the International Office. In this manner, IDEN will be supporting the European initiative Erasmus Without Paper together with its partners. This is IDEN. As the project progresses, We will be presenting interim results and parts of learning units as part of open educational resources. Furthermore, we are organizing training courses so that others may benefit from our experiences. We would like to thank the German Federal Ministry of Education and Research and the German Academic Exchange Service for providing the funding for this project.